Hi! Great morning everyone! Ayan, it's Monday morning again. So back to work again. And thank you so much sa mga nag-like, nag-love, and nag-share sa aking last live. And really didn't expect that na magkakaroon ng great reviews naman. And I was just playing. When I do my live, I'm only just playing kasi I'm just sharing of what I know. Yan. My personal experience ang usually na sinishare ko. And of course, based on research also kasi I always do research, reading before I do my shares and live. Ayan. Pero most especially, sinishare ko kung ano yung effective sa akin, sa mga kasamahan ko, sa kapamilya ko, and of course to our guests of Izumi Wellness. Ayan. So anyway, sa mga nag-i-inquire regarding oils, kasi actually, this is my latest venture, bakit ako nag-venture dito and why this is my latest, no? Kasi, upon researching last October, nagka-colds ang baby ko, no? That was pandemic, total lockdown kami sa Manila, even here in Baguio, right? And sabi ko, gosh, pag nagkaubo si baby, I don't want him to, ayoko siyang dalhin sa pediatrician namin kasi ayoko talagang pumunta sa hospital. I'm so scared na ma-expose ang mga anak ko sa hospital. So sabi ko, what do I need to do? Pagka na-sniffles pa lang, gusto ko maagapan na agad as in makontrol mo na siya na para hindi siya mag-spread and hindi siya mag-worsen to become a phlegm or hindi mo na kailangan mag-antibiotic pa, diba, right? And nakikita naman natin, nagiging innovative na ang mga inventions ngayon. Kaya when I did my research, tinignan ko kung ano yung legit. Okay? Merong company na mas matagal pa na essential oils, pero nakita ko ito, doTERRA is 2008 lang, pero they are the ones who has the certified pure therapeutic grade na tatak. Ayan, CPTG. You search this, CPTG. Pag na-search nyo yan, ibig sabihin, Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade. Meron pong third party na nag-grade sa kanila na they are pure oils talaga. Ayan. Next, sila ang oils na pwedeng internal. Ayan. To prove to you na pwedeng internal ha. Kasi syempre kahapon, it was the birthday of my mother-in-law. Happy birthday! So, napakain na naman ng kadami-dami na ng food. So, I have to do detox, Kasi when you eat, yan yung biggest factor na nagkakasakit tayo. Lalo na pag mga bawal na pagkain. Ang bilis nila mag-clog sa ating artery, sa mga veins, right? So, we have to do detox. So, I'm going to use grapefruit. Ayan. So, I'm just going to use 1 drop. Ayan. 1 drop lang ginamit ko, mga sisters, family. 1 drop lang, ha. Then, I do shaking. Shake here. Ayan. Para medyo mag-slim tayo. Tapos, drink. So, aromatic talaga. Ang bango. Tapos, kaya ako nag-live kasi I received so many gifts from my manager, from our team sa US. Ayan. So, this doTERRA is from US company, no? So, ito, isa ko sa na-receive. Sa mga gusto mag-start ng oils, you can start with these 3 basic oils. Kasi we have so many oils. Ayan, para pakita ko sa inyo yan, no? But you can start with these 3 basic oils. Bakit these 3 basic oils? Kasi, this lemon is really good for detox, cleansing, especially ngayon, no? Like, nagdaan ng holidays, puro kainan tayo. So, you really need this para mailabas natin yung kinain natin. At the same time, sa mga allergic, sa mga pang-cleansing, yung may spray yan, pwedeng itong gawin nyo. Lagay lang kayo sa spray bottle, mag-add kayo ng 10 to 15 drops sa 8 ounce of water. You do that spray. Ito ng panlinis nyo. See? Tapos, pwede rin sa leki-leki. Ayan, sa kilikili. Pang-cleansing talaga. Kahit yung mga clients namin dito, sobra. Ito yung best-seller namin ngayon.
The top-selling doTERRA essential oil, lemon, has multiple benefits and uses. It is a powerful cleansing agent that purifies the air and can be used as a non-toxic cleaner throughout the home. Lemon essential oil can also be added to water to provide a refreshing and healthy boost. Lemon is also a powerful antioxidant that can help ward off free radicals. When taken internally, lemon provides cleansing and digestive benefits. Lemon can also be used to soothe an irritated throat and to support healthy respiratory function. Diffusing lemon creates an uplifting and energizing atmosphere that has been shown to improve mood and cognitive ability.
We also use this peppermint. Ito ang love na love ng sister ko kasi lagi siya nagma-migraine, headache, ayan. She's a teacher, so alam niyo naman pag teacher, di ba, sandamakmak na paperworks. So, she always needs this oil sa, Ako naman na-try ko. Basta anything na peppermint na may mint, ha. So, me naman, I'm using I'm looking for my eucalyptus. Pag nag-start pa lang ang headache ko, yan. I'm using the eucalyptus or this peppermint. So, sa sister ko, it's the peppermint. For me, it's the eucalyptus. So, ang style dito, you just ito lang, touch mo lang. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, across the forehead. Sa may mga headache and migraines, yan. Sa pulse points and sa batok. Yan lang, touch lang. Kaya sobrang tipid. As long as may oil dito. If not, you just use 1 drop. So, sa mga may headaches, ayan, sister ko na teacher, this is what she loves, the peppermint. For me, I love the eucalyptus.
Peppermint is perhaps one of the most recognizable essential oils. Peppermint contains beneficial terpenoids, flavonoids, and menthol. Peppermint promotes healthy respiratory function and clear breathing. It alleviates stomach upset and is frequently used in toothpaste and chewing gum for oral health.
And also, the third is the lavender, which is really good for rashes. Ayan, sa rashes. Guess what? Diba nag-travel kami ng family ko going to Atok. And nadapa yung baby ko, yung toddler ko. He's only 2 years old. So, nagka-cut siya dito. And what I did, kasi I always bring my oils. Ito ang lagi kong bit-bit. Family Essentials Kit. From the word itself, family. So, really great for family. Kasi almost complete na yung oils nito, no? So, the lavender, I just put a dab sa sugat niya. So, ngayon, dry na. Nag-heal na agad. Hindi na siya yung maya nagnanana. Ayan, diba?
Cherished for centuries for its unmistakable aroma, lavender has many therapeutic benefits. Lavender's ability to calm and soothe the mind and body continue to be one of the most notable qualities of lavender. Applying lavender to the back of the neck and to the temples helps reduce muscle tension, while inhaling lavender promotes relaxation and a restful night's sleep, making it ideal for diffusing at bedtime or when stress is high. With so many benefits and versatility, lavender is a must-have oil that you should have on hand at all times. Lavender is calming and relaxing. It is soothing for occasional skin irritations. The aroma can also help ease tension.
So, sabi ko, sa mga gusto mag-try, it's either, if you were really budgeted, you try the introductory kit. But if you have more budget, a little bit budget, no? Ito ng pinaka worth it na bilhin as a health investment. Kasi, this is almost complete. Actually, pinalitan ko na. Ito yung laman niyan. It has 10 kinds of oil. Ayan. So, almost complete na. So, yung lavender, na-explain ko naman na good for sleeping din siya. I-dab nyo lang siya sa, sa pillow before sleeping. Okay, you put a drop of your palm. Tapos you smell. Ang bango. Sobra. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Just 1 drop. Ganito isang use. Kasi there are 3 ways to use the essential oils. So, 1 is aromatic siya. So, put 1 drop sa palm. Tapos rub. Tapos inhale. Bango! Grabe! Or not, ipahid sa pillow, pahid sa nose, aroma. Ayan. Second way is topical. kung saan yung affected area. Like, if you have sugat, pwede mong ipahid doon. Oh, I still have oil. So, kung may sugat ka anywhere, ako sa skin or rashes, pahid-pahid yan. Pwede yan. Next is the Melaleuca. Yung peppermint, pwede rin pala yung peppermint ha, na inumin. You put a 1 drop sa big mug. Sobrang sarap. Pang cleansing, tapos sa ubo. Pwede rin sa ulcer. So, actually, kabibigay lang namin sa tito namin yung isang oil na peppermint. Plus, dinagdag ko pa yung DigestZen. Ayan, ang ganda. Yung DigestZen, ang personal testimony namin dito, nagbiyahe kami, so kasama ko yung toddler ko. So sa Halsema, alam niyo naman yung Halsema Highway, it's a zigzag road. So talagang nagsuka yung baby ko. So after that, pinahiran ko siya ng DigestZen. After nun, parang wala. May appetite pa rin siyang kumain, tapos parang hindi na nag-repeat yung vomit niya. See? Tapos ito rin ang binigay ko sa tito ko na may ulcer together with the peppermint. Kasi yun talaga, parang ang asim-asim ng tiyan niya. So, ang gagawin lang sa DigestZen, the second way to use is the topical. Ayan. So, kung nagpahid kayo, diba, you just put 1 to 2 drops across ng abdomen nyo, tapos pahid nyo yun. Or kung may muscle pains kayo. Remember, this kit has so many oils. At saka ito na ang bit-bit mo anywhere. As in anywhere. When you do travel, when you have family outing, family gathering, may sumakit ang tiyan, you give them DigestZen. Kung may sumasakit ang ulo, o papahid mo muna yung peppermint. If may nasugat, you can pahid the lavender. O, diba? Family essentials kit. At saka sa mga anak ko, I have 6 boys and I'm always concerned sa kanilang health, ano? Ayan, sa health nila kasi. So, kaya every night, I always make pahid yung yung On Guard. Kasi antimicrobial siya. And the Frankincense, which is the king of oils. And kasama siya dito sa king family kit. Okay? Ang Frankincense po natin, remember, yun yung isang oil na gift kay Jesus, right? And it is the king of oils. Bakit? Kasi antimicrobial siya. Tapos it's really good for skin. And take note, itong milya ko, every night ko nilalagyan. Ayan, lumiliit na siya. Pero biro. Ito na lang ang medyo malaki-laki pa konti. Ewan ko kung nakikita si video, no? Pero I do have milyas here. And yan yung number 1 na ino-observe ko. Kasi gusto ko, may share ko sa inyo ang actual laging testimonies ko. And sa mga pamangkin ko rin, when they see me, tita, do you have oils? Ayan. So, yes, I have. So, pahid dito sa nose, pahid sa ears. Tapos kagabi, kasi, di ba, galing kami sa family gathering. So, nasa amin yung mga anak ko at saka yung pamangkin kong iba. So, what I did was, 1 drop of peppermint, tapos 1 drop of On Guard and frankincense. Tapos, I mix it with the coconut oil. Mix sa palm, tapos pahid sa chest and pahid sa back. So, when they got up, walang sniffles, walang colds, walang cough. At kahit ako, pag-gising ko sa umaga kanina, parang ang sakit ng ulo ko, parang sobrang pagod lang. So, ang pinahid ko talaga sa akin is the eucalyptus. Pahid dito. Ilang beses lang nangyari sa akin doon. Kaya sobrang love na love ko tong oils. And I really hope that you can try these oils, essential oils. And I only go for doTERRA kasi it has the CPTG, Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade. And it has the, anong tawag dito, yung FDA approved. Take note ha, sa mga nagtutry na yung magtigil na ng yosi tingi nila. Yung kopaiba po, ang ganda. Okay, yung black pepper, I mean. Mas maganda yung black pepper sa mga gusto mag-stop. Ayan. So, sa mga gusto mag-try, wala pong chemical content to kasi it's really pure. Ayan. So, I will be ending my live na rin kasi so far na-share ko naman yung magandang startup as a knowledge for sa mga gustong pwede ko, actually, ang dami namang knowledge about oils. You just need to search for the pure. And this is what I've searched. And it is also good for dogs and cats. Ayan. Sa may mga dogs and cats, ayan, kung may allergy yung dogs and cats nyo. Diba? So, sa mga animal lovers, pwedeng-pwede ha. So, sa mga gusto, pwedeng-pwede to. Okay? So, bye-bye everyone and thank you for watching. And Ma'am Vera Siha, ikaw na bahala sa ating mga gustong mag-ano. Yan. Legit po siya, one of the wellness advocate of doTERRA. Vera Si. And you can check her YouTube also. She's a vlogger and napakaganda ng kanyang videos. You can watch her makeup tutorials, Izumi unboxing. Ang dami. She's very knowledgeable. Kaya you can PM her anytime and check her details. Ayan. Thank you everyone.